Hi students, now we will discuss one of the Python program to find the given number is prime number or not. Very first line of this program is non-executable statement which you won't execute in the runtime. It start with a hash symbol. It is called single line command. Next line I am going to read the input for n. Innermost function is input. Input is used to display the message. Enter the n value. At the end I am using backslash n. Backslash n will move to the cursor to next line. After displaying the message, the cursor will move to next line. It is waiting for input. My input is 19. 19. It will treat it as a string, so you should convert it to integer. So int function is used to convert the string to integer. Then it will assign to n. A value 0, I value 1. Next statement is while statement. Here I less than or equal to n, that is 1 less than or equal to 19. N value is 19. 1 less than or equal to 19. Condition is true. At the end of that while statement, you should use colon. Control comes inside. 19 divided by I, that is 1. You will get the remainder 0. Condition is true. If statement at end with colon, condition is true. So a value 0 will become 1. Then control comes out of the if. Then it will increment the I value. I value 1 plus 1 2. Then control comes here and it will check the condition. 2 less than or equal to 19. Again condition is true. Then control comes inside the loop. If statement 19 divided by 2, remainder you will get. The condition is false. Control comes here and it will increment the I value. Current I value is 2. 2 plus 1, it will become 3. Then control goes here and 3 less than or equal to 19. Condition again true. Again 19 divided by 3, you can get remainder 1. Condition is false. Then it will comes here and it will increment the I value. 3 plus 1 4. Then control comes here and it will check the condition. 4 less than or equal to 19. Condition is true. And then control comes inside the loop and it will check the condition again. If statement 19 divided by 4, you can get remainder 0. So this condition is false. 3 equal to 0 means condition is false. Control comes here and it will increment the I value. 4 plus 1 5. 4 plus 1 5. Then control comes here and it will check the condition. 5 less than or equal to 19. 5 less than or equal to 19. Condition once again true. Control comes inside. Then 19 divided by 5, you can get remainder 4. 4 equal to 0. Condition is false. Control comes here and it will increment the I value. 5 plus 1 6. Like that it will go up to 19. When I value become 19, 19 less than or equal to 19, condition is true. Control comes inside the loop. 19 divided by 19, so you will get remainder 0. 0 equal to 0, condition is true. Then control comes inside the if and already a value is 1. 1 plus 1, it will become a value become 2. Then control comes out of the if. Then it will increment 19 plus 1, it will become 20. Then control comes here and it will check the condition. 20 less than or equal to 19. Condition is false. Control comes outside the loop. Now here I am using one more if statement. If a value equal to 2, a value is 2, equal to 2 means condition is true. End of the if you should use colon. Condition is true. It will print the message the given number is prime. 19 is prime. Then control comes out of the program. So we will see the output. fi is used to run the program. My input is 19. 19 is prime number. Okay, fine. Another possibility is I am going to read the value 4. N value is 4. A value is 0. I value 1. 1 less than or equal to 4 condition is true. While loop. End of the while loop you should use colon. The control comes inside the loop. Here if statement is there. 4 divided by 1. You can get remainder 0. 0 equal to 0. Condition is true. End of the condition you should use colon. So control comes inside the if and a value is 0. 0 plus 1 it will become a will become 1. Then control comes here and it will increment the I value. I value 1 plus 1 it will become 2. Then control comes here and it will check the condition 2 less than or equal to 4. Condition is true. Then control comes here to 4 divided by 2. 4 divided by 2 you will get remainder 0. 0 equal to 0. Condition is true. A value already 1. 1 plus 1 it will become 2. Then control comes here and it will increment the I value 2. 2 plus 1 it will become 3. Then control comes here and it will check the condition 3 less than or equal to 4. Condition is true. Control comes inside the loop and it will check the if condition. N value is 4. 4 divided by 3. Remainder 1. 1 equal to 0 means condition is false. Control comes outside the if and it will increment the I value. I value 3. 3 plus 1 it will become 4. After increment control comes and check the loop statement. Loop condition that is 4 less than or equal to 4 condition is true. Then control comes inside the loop. 4 divided by 4 you can get remainder 0. 0 equal to 0 means condition is true. Already a value is 2. 2 plus 1 it will become 3. Then I value will increment. I value already 4. 4 plus 1 it will become 5. Then control comes here and it will check the condition 5 less than or equal to 4 condition is false. Loop statement will be false. Then automatically control comes outside the loop. Immediate next statement. Here if condition I am checking a equal to 2. A value is 3. 3 equal to 2 means condition is false. End of the condition you should use colon. Condition is false, automatically it will comes to the else part. Else keyword should be end with colon. Here I am printing the given number is not prime number. Okay, fine. We will check the output. Now 4. Given number is not prime. Okay, fine. Kindly subscribe my channel and press bell icon. You can watch my videos later.